Let's do our left. I really, really am happy with, I feel like I can tell you guys are really focusing on your technique right now, and it makes me very pleased. So keep doing that. Really watch toe ball heel on your running, yes. Thinking about your upper body too, like so much of looking good at leaps is how you're holding yourself, right? Like I could have the most inverted legs ever, and if I'm like this, it's not gonna really matter what my legs look like, right? So keep thinking about that. Like even if you don't, especially on left, a lot of us probably don't have great left leaps, but you can sure look good at them if you really focus on how you're carrying yourself as you're doing it, yes? Technique and then get the height and the flexibility. Okay. Good, your technique looks very good. Watch your back foot, you're just flexing it to land a little bit. Andy and I have been so proud of you, by the way. We were talking about you the other night and we're like, Soph is just like quiet and is getting so good. You're like a lot of stuff, your skills, I'm like, yes, girlfriend.